New CD called Charm Bracelet, and here she is to sing her new single, Through the Rain. Please welcome Mariah Carey.
When you get caught in the rain with nowhere to run, when you're the strong